Welcome in, welcome in. So I got a DM for a purchase request, a commission request, and it goes, "Hey bro, I'm looking for a super creamy, deep sounding keyboard, preferably a heavy aluminum one. Do you have any options that fit this criteria?" Of course, I answered yes. The Akko M1. Do you have a sound test? So I've sent him to my bittersweet sound test. He came back with, "This is the kind of sound I'm going for," and he gave me a link for a video. So this is the video. Oh yeah. I responded to him. Do you have something like this? Yeah, the M1 can do that. Change the switch to yellow, add tape mod. Spacebar was a little bit too high, a little too clacky, so I dropped in a bittersweet spacebar. I think that was pretty damn close. Enjoy the Akko M1 V5 with creamy yellow pros, bittersweet spacebar, all the foams and tape mod.